Hello everyone, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 8 methods. Students, please open your book at page number 175. The objectives of my today's topic are: you will learn method or function, function prototype, super and subfunction, function and class, importance of main method, nesting of functions. Let us discuss some of the key terms. Our first key term is method. A method is a named block of code that can be called and executed anywhere in a program and performs a specific task. For example, let's suppose I want to calculate sum of two numbers. So I write that set of statements in a pair of braces and give it a name. Let it be sum. So that full becomes a method. Next, function prototype. It is the way of defining a function. Function name and identifier used to name a function. Super function, the calling function in a function call. And super function is also known as the calling function. Subfunction, the called function in a function call. Local data of a function. Data that are declared in a function are called local data of a function. Actual parameters, the parameters used in superfunction. Superfunction means calling function. Formal parameters, the parameters that are used in subfunction. Subfunction means the function that is called function. Now let us understand all the key terms with the help of a program. Here my class name is Compute Cube Demo. This is a function from line number 3 to line number 8. Public int find cube int x in bracket. Students, find cube is the name of the function, that is function name. Int x is the list of parameter. This int is the return type of a function. Then this complete block of code int result equals to x multiply x return result. This full in the pair of braces with the function name is known as method definition. And this parameter list is also known as formal parameter. Now again I have created second function, that is compute cube. Void is also return type of the function. Int num equals to 5, int my result, that are two variables. My result equals to find cube num. Now this find cube is the method call, that is calling this function at line number 3. And this num variable, this is known as actual parameter. So students, this find cube num, this is the super function and this is the sub function. Now we have used find cube function in the function name compute cube. So these are also the nested functions. Now this data int result equals to x into x into x return result. This is the local data of the function. Means the result variable is in the scope of this find cube function. This first line is the function prototype. So today we have discussed function prototype, super and sub function, function and class, nesting of functions. Do revise all the key terms. Thank you.